If audio embedded through Spotify Loom or an uploaded file is not playing in Gamma, or it's failing to load, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes, step by step, so you can get your Gamma presentation audio working again quickly and safely. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, check the file format and file size. Gamma works best with standard, supported audio or video sources, especially when you're using embedded links like Spotify or YouTube. If you're uploading audio or video directly, make sure the file is compressed and saved in a universal format like MP3 or MP4. Large, uncompressed files can take too long to load, or they may trigger an error altogether. So if your file is very large, try exporting a smaller version and then upload it again. Next, if the audio is technically loaded but it's glitching, cutting out or refusing to play properly, the issue may be your browser's hardware acceleration setting. This is a common fix for media playback problems. If you're using Chrome or Edge, open your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Then turn it off and restart the browser completely. After that, go back to Gamma and test the audio again. In many cases, that one change is enough to solve strange playback bugs. Now let's check third-party extensions. Browser extensions like aggressive ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or firewall-style extensions can interfere with Gamma's background audio scripts. If Gamma audio is failing to load, try opening the page in an Incognito or private window first. This lets you test the site without most extensions running. If the audio works there, then you know one of your extensions is causing the problem. From there, you can disable extensions one by one until you find the one that's blocking playback. Another important step is to verify the system status. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. Gamma may have a temporary issue with media rendering or server performance. Visit the official Gamma status page and check whether there are any active outages or degraded services. If their servers are having a problem, the best fix is usually to wait until the issue is resolved on their side. So, to quickly recap, if Gamma audio is not playing, first check your file format and size. Then disable hardware acceleration, test for extension conflicts in an Incognito window, and finally confirm whether Gamma itself is experiencing a service outage. These 4 checks solve most audio loading problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who's dealing with the same Gamma audio error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.